Laws of logarithms allow you to simplify and manipulate expressions involving logarithms. They are equivalent to the law of indices. The laws you should know, which are the same base laws, are the following. So the law of product relates to the first law, the first index law, which is ax times ay is equal to ax plus y. Now the law of quotient relates to the second index law, which is ax over ay is equal to ax minus y. And the law of power relates to the fourth index law, which is ax to the power ay is equal to axy. Now, these laws are given in the formula booklet, so you don't need to memorize them. Laws of logs are used to simplify expressions, solve logarithm equations, solve exponential equations, and so on. Now, let's apply one of these laws to a simple question to get a better understanding. Write the expression 2 log 4 minus log 2 in the form of a log k. So, first we can use the law of power. So 2 log 4 is equal to log 4 to the power of 2, which is equal to log 16. Now we can write the expression using the law of quotient. Now, so it would be log 16 minus log 2 is equal to log 16 over 2, which is equal to log 8. So the expression 2 log 4 minus log 2 is equal to log 8.